Alright, before you scroll, let me ask you something honestly. When was the last time your body actually felt strong? Not busy. Not tired but productive. Not, I survived the day. I mean strong, steady, reliable, the kind of strength where you stand up from a chair and don't think about your knees, you climb stairs without negotiating with your lungs, you carry groceries without secretly hoping nobody is watching you struggle. Most people over 50 believe they lost strength because of age. But that's not true. They lost strength because modern life quietly removed movement from their day and replaced it with sitting, screens, cars, and comfort. And here's the worst part. They think fixing it requires a gym, machines, supplements, or an hour of suffering. It doesn't. In fact, today I'm going to show you something surprising. You can rebuild real, functional strength, the kind that makes daily life easier, in just a few minutes a day, with zero equipment, inside your home. No gym. No weights. No floor workouts that hurt your back. No complicated routines you'll quit next week. Just 3 movements. And if you stay with me, I promise something. These aren't fitness influencer exercises. These are movements your body actually understands. Movements that turn your nervous system back on, wake up dormant muscles, and make your body cooperate with you again. Because after 50, strength training is no longer about looking fit. It's about independence. The first exercise looks almost too simple. So simple many people skip it, and that's exactly why they stay weak. I want you to stand up right now. Feet about shoulder width apart. Stand tall, not stiff, just tall. Now slowly shift your weight onto one leg and lift the other foot just 1 inch off the ground. That's it. You're not balancing for competition, you're teaching your brain to control your body again. Most people over 50 lose strength not because muscles disappear, but because the brain forgets how to recruit them together. Your ankles stop communicating with your hips. Your hips stop supporting your spine. Your body becomes a collection of parts instead of a system. This simple balance hold reconnects the system. At first your foot will wobble. Your toes will grip the floor. Your shoulders will tense. That shaking isn't weakness. That shaking is your nervous system waking up after years of silence. Hold it for 10 seconds. Switch legs. Do this every day and something strange happens within a week. Walking feels lighter. Turning feels safer. Your knees feel protected. Because your hips finally start doing their job again instead of dumping pressure into the joints. You see, muscles don't protect joints. Control protects joints. And balance is controlled strength. Most falls after 50 don't happen because people are weak. They happen because the body reacts too late. This exercise trains reaction speed, coordination, ankle strength, hip stability, and core activation, all at once, without sweat or pain. And yes, it counts as real strength training. Now the second movement is the one that changes lives the fastest. Not squats. Not lunges. Not push-ups. Standing sit-to-stands. But done correctly. Find a chair, not too low, not too soft. Sit near the edge. Feet flat, slightly behind your knees. Now before you stand, lean forward slightly like your nose is moving over your toes. Then stand up without using your hands. Slowly sit back down the same way. That's 1 repetition. Looks ordinary, right? But this movement directly trains the exact muscles that determine independence after 50, your glutes and thighs working together with your core. Most people overuse their knees when standing up. That's why stairs hurt. But when you lean forward first, your hips engage. Your hips are designed to carry your weight. Your knees are not. So every repetition teaches your body to use the big muscles again instead of punishing the joints. Do just 5 reps. Another 5 reps. That's it. Within 2 weeks you'll notice chairs feel higher, stairs feel shorter, and your legs stop feeling heavy all the time. Because weakness after 50 isn't just muscle loss. It's muscle amnesia. You didn't lose strength. You lost the habit of using it. Now the third exercise might surprise you most. It's not for your arms. It's not for your chest. It's for your posture, which secretly controls your energy. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands gently on the wall at chest height. Step back slightly so your body is at a small angle. Now slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall, then push yourself back. A wall push. But focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you lower and spreading them apart as you push. This wakes up your upper back, the muscles that hold you upright all day. Here's why this matters. After 50, fatigue is often posture fatigue. When the upper back weakens, your head moves forward. Your breathing becomes shallow. Your neck tightens. Your brain interprets it as low energy. People think they need caffeine. They actually need posture strength. Just 10 wall pushes twice a day and your breathing deepens automatically. More oxygen. More alertness. Less back stiffness. And suddenly daily tasks stop feeling exhausting. So now you have 3 movements. Balance hold to reconnect control. Chair stands to rebuild leg power. Wall pushes to restore posture and energy. Together they take less than 5 minutes. But here's the real magic. They work because they retrain patterns, not just muscles. Gyms strengthen isolated parts. Life requires coordinated movement. After 50, the body responds better to frequency than intensity. A little every day beats a lot once a week. So instead of a workout mindset, think of it as daily maintenance, like brushing your teeth. You don't brush hard once a week. You brush gently every day. Your body works the same way now. Do these movements daily and you'll notice unexpected improvements. Getting out of bed easier. Standing longer without discomfort. Carrying things without planning it. Feeling steady when turning quickly. That's real fitness. Not sweating for an hour and still struggling with groceries. Now let me tell you something important. Do not wait until you feel motivated. Motivation comes after movement, not before. Your brain rewards action, not intention. So attach these movements to something you already do. Balance while waiting for the kettle. Chair stands before meals. Wall pushes after brushing teeth. No schedule required. And here's the truth nobody says clearly. Consistency beats enthusiasm. You don't need excitement. You need repetition. Because the body after 50 adapts quickly, but only to what you repeat often. People fail fitness not because exercises are wrong, but because they are too big to repeat daily. These 3 are small enough to become automatic. And automatic habits rebuild strength without discipline. Give this 14 days. Not forever. Not a month. Just 14 days. Your brain will start trusting your body again. And when trust returns, movement returns. And when movement returns, energy follows. You'll notice you stand taller without trying. You'll stop planning every movement. You'll stop thinking be careful before standing up. That quiet confidence, that strength. Not how much you lift, but how little you hesitate. If this made sense to you, here's what I want you to do right now. Don't just watch. Stand up and try 1 repetition of each movement immediately after this video ends. Because information doesn't change bodies. Action does. And if you commit to 14 days, come back and tell me what changed. I read the comments and I genuinely want to know. Also subscribe, because every week I share simple movements designed specifically for bodies over 50. No gym culture, no punishment workouts, just practical strength that makes daily life easier. Your body isn't old. It's just underused. Start using it again, and it will surprise you.